Hi guys, welcome to my channel Code with Sony. Like other videos, I come with another familiar topic. But before proceeding further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So, let's get started. Objective Objective of this video session is to reinforce programming concepts regarding to copy constructor. Constructors can be used for efficient memory management, which is not possible with functions. Constructions are special class functions which perform initialization of every object. The compiler calls the constructor whenever an object is created. Constructors initialize values to object members after storage is allocated to the object. While defining a constructor, you must remember that the name of constructor will be same as the name of the class and constructor never a return type. Types of constructor. Constructor are of three types: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. The copy constructor is a constructor which creates an object by initializing it with an object of the same class which has been created previously. The copy constructor is used to initialize one object from another of the same type. Copy of object to pass it as an argument to a function. Let's take a coded example. For that we need to have a class. For example, customer, and the private members are ID and credit. After that, the public members are void set, in which we have to set the ID and credit. For example, ID equal 8 and credit equal 70,000. After that, we have to get the values. For that, cout ID handle, cout credit handle. After that, we have to make a constructor of same class. Customer, this is a default constructor with no arguments in brackets. Let's say ID equal to 1 and credit equal 50,000. After the default constructor, let's take a parameterized constructor. For that, customer int x, in which ID equal to x and credit equal to 5,000, let's say. After that, void add customer data. we are adding the customer's data, in which we are, let's say, customer ID, handle, cin ID, cout, customers credit, handle, cin credit. After that, we have to display the add customers data. Make a function of display cout id cout credit. We are done with the class. Now the main function is inside the main. We have a customer class with object C. Let's say C dot get. After that, C dot display. Now we have to call the parameterized constructor that we have already made. But for this, we are going to discuss the concept of copy constructor, so that again we are making another object of same class for, let's say, C1, and in C1 we wanna say, let's say, 2, and this 2 is basically the value of x, and that x will assign to id. I think things are going to be clear. For that, c1.display, and you can make many other objects of same class. Let's say c2 dot, you can call any of the function. I hope you have understand the concept of copy constructor. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, and for any query, please comment below. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.